From wherever you're watching us in Kenya and around the world, a warm welcome. I am Tom Boya.
I am Chuma Udim. Our sign language expert tonight is Caroline Njoroge.
Now, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is tonight rejecting the ruling of the High Court that upheld his impeachment.
Gachagua says the three-judge bench contradicted its own ruling by finding that his rights to fair trial was violated.
The DCP leader now says that he will appeal the ruling at the Court of Appeal, vowing to extend the battle to the Supreme Court should the appellate court not grant his wish.
A day after the three-judge bench of the High Court struck out Gachagua's petition and upheld his removal from office through impeachment, Gachagua has expressed his displeasure.
While we respect the ruling of the High Court, we totally and fundamentally disagree with the interpretation of the law and application of facts. The long-standing legal principle of natural justice and the right to a fair hearing has been trashed and ignored in broad daylight.
Gachagua laughed off the 50 million awarded by the court to compensate violation of his right to fair trial.
The 50 million Kenya shillings awarded to me is an insult to my fundamental rights and freedoms and a mockery of the Constitution. We are not interested. Money was never the issue here. Justice and constitutional supremacy was.
He wondered how the three judges would establish that his rights to fair trial were violated by the Senate, yet upheld his impeachment.
We strongly observe that the impeachment process was found faulty by the three-judge bench for failure to respect my right to fair hearing in the violation of Article 25, 47, and 50 of the Constitution. Once that determination was made, the entire process collapsed and was null and void.
Vowing to appeal the ruling, the displeased Gachagua told off his critics, saying he was still eligible for elective office. He, however, disclosed that he'll take a 45-day off from the public space to engage with stakeholders and the united opposition figures to determine the opposition's presidential flag bearer.
I'll be Noah Munyoro, doing very, very serious, extensive consultations. And I'll do whatever it takes to mobilize my colleagues, to persuade them, to make it possible to have one single presidential candidate.
Giverson Minor, Prime Edition.